Hello friends, how are you? I am so fine. Today I am showing you how we have to use YouTube Studio means YT Studio and what is the role of YT Studio on YouTube channel. Okay, so without wasting our time, we will do our work. We open. First, I will download it. First, you will go to Play Store. Right here, YT Studio. Now we will go here. I have already installed it. So I will open it. It's open. Okay. Now there is so many things. First we have go to videos. And we will check our videos. How many videos, how many watch hour, how many like, how many chat box. Okay. Then if you put some live video, so that's here. But I didn't put any live video, so it does not show here. Then we will go to dashboard. In this, it will show that you have how many subscriber, how many watch time, analyze. Then we will go to comments. In this, we will see who one can comment me and I will give reply to them. Okay. Then analyze. We will analyze it. You will see so many things. You will see number of playlist. It means it tells that my playlist were viewed by 3 person in 28 days. Okay. So it's that so. Then playlist. You can change the playlist also. You can click here. Then do something. If you will do edit the video of YouTube, so you can do from here. That's learn Microsoft. Okay. So I will take Microsoft Word. Okay. So I will want to edit. So you can see the pencil like arrows. Then click on it. The process beginning. And this is the title. And this is channel. It's so that you want to public, unlisted, private, schedule. Okay. So I will do it public. You want to do unlisted, so you do unlisted. Then select audience. It tells that you make this video for kids or adult. So it's your choice to keep it kids or that. Then we will then I will put it in a which playlist. Okay. So I will put in learn how to use Microsoft Edge. Okay. Done. Then tags. I also add tags. Then how will we write? I will want to write. Okay. Then basic information. This is the basic information. And now I will show you advanced setting. It tells that category of people. Means it tells which type of video. Travel and event, sports video, science and technology video. That's your choice. Okay. Then comments. Allow comments? Yes. Allow. Okay. Then all the icons that I put, you can do it same. Okay. Then cancel. Okay. Then I will outside. Then I will show you how we have to make some changes in YT Studio and it's apply on YouTube. So we will see that we will take Microsoft Word. Okay. Then we will go to YT Studio and take Microsoft Word. No, this is the Excel. No. Videos. Microsoft Word. And you will see, I will write here 1, 2, 3. Okay. No, I will not write here. But I will write here learn how to use app. Then I will keep it on learn tab to cashew also. So then I take. Then we will go to YouTube. Then we will see my playlist. section. You will see that in microscope app playlist there is also a word, and in learning videos also have it. You can see. So guys, I hope you like my video and you something learn from my video. So please like, subscribe and share to your friends. Bye bye.